Hello from Cadba Island. Today is my birthday and I have just taken shower that avoid the mess. Room is pretty average but the view is nice. I have to meet some other solo female travelers. One is from America and another one is from England. This is my room view. Today is pretty nice. It's rainy. There's no sun, so I'll be less tanned. I'm looking out for my other friends. I don't want them to wait.
We're taking it more slowly, and I was like, actually no. Kind of. I mean, this is more relaxing, like walking to the beach.
The hospital caves and all.
Yeah. But I'm like, I don't want to drive alone. You know what I mean?
I'm at the Baitam beach. The vibe is so nice even if you don't want to swim. And tomorrow I'll be heading for Lanha Bay boat tour, so I'm looking forward to it. Ouch! Oh, the water is so cold! Oh my god! Feels nice. जब मैं आई थी उस टाइम पे it was so sweaty. यार यहाँ पे स्ट्रीट लाइट्स ही नहीं है और लोग कैसे भी चलाते हैं, पता है? मतलब आप पे है कि आपको कोई उड़ाएगा या नहीं. Because they ride and drive really well. तो अगर गलती होगी तो there's a good chance कि आप ही की गलती होगी, या तो आपने देखा नहीं है क्योंकि ये तो कहीं से भी निकाल लेंगे. Taken this huge water bottle for 15. I think it's 66 rupees and few like chutar-putar for my friends. I think there's beach behind that cliff and there's another one this side. drizzling. सामने ही there's एग्री बैंक. आपको शॉप्स पे मिल जाएगा like 1000 पे 300 समथिंग कट जाएंगे आपके. Hello, hi. Oh my goodness, how is she sitting? Oh my god. Hi. Wow. These are sweet potato. Guys. So I've tried veggie noodles, glass noodles. So I was like, this time I will try some carbs like potatoes or sweet potato. Body sunscreen filled so badly, and initially it gave like it was white, but it got absorbed. Like my legs were looking so white. They are not. Yeah, so initially it will make your skin look white, but afterwards it will absorb. There's so many dogs. Our boat started at Lanahave, like the boat, around 9 AM, and we will be on this boat till 5:30. That's like the whole day on the boat. Come over here.
Over here.
Bring that chair. Did you swim? It was my first time.
It's your first time swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. How was the water?
Very salty. It went in my eyes.
Oh,
it was pretty uncomfortable, but like it was my first time, so I was happy.
And it's such a beautiful place.
Yeah.
It's a good place to do your first swim.
If I could have swum, like I would have gone to that place.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Unfortunately, I got like cold, so my lungs kind of
Oh. Otherwise, you know how to swim. Otherwise, you know how to swim.
Yeah.
Wow. That's great.
I'm recovering at the moment. So.
They have captured them. Ew.
I guess we can just follow people.
Woohoo! My hands are full of sunscreen.
Yeah, I'm gonna take photos.
looks super cool. This is Loei Wow and entrance. Hang Sang Light Cave. Okay, we'll see.
Okay, I see it before.
Wow. You need to go like.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's super cool. Okay, go slow, go slow, go slow. Go slow. Wow. Wow. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh no. Shit. Shit, 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 shit. Go slow. It looks super cool.
I can't grab my camera.
Oh wow. Uh-oh. Lens is dirty.
I don't see it.
They're hiding up behind the trees. I can't get them on camera. So windy and nice. I wish it was raining a little bit. Wow. Yeah.
So we can eat this. What is it?
The weather looks so nice. Like I want it to rain. Like look at the clouds. Oh my god. This is so peaceful, so nice. I wish it was like roaring and thundering and raining. That would have been amazing. But it's perfect. Perfect.
Bắt đầu cái tàu kia nó vào gửi hai khay chú. Ok ok. Có 28 trừ 2 còn 26. Một đứa trẻ con.
26 à? 3 xe.
Lấy đâu vậy? Okay for you.
Can I sit over here?
3 people and the chair.
3 people. Can I sit over here?
Okay.
Oh, thank you. This is like 10 minutes electric drive in the village. Oh, so pretty. Wow. There are bigger ones. It's raining and it's so big. This is bird nest fun that I have killed once. I think this is the plastic plant part. Wow. Makes sense because it's raining all the time over here. Oh, poor chickens. Hello. Hi. Are you guys hungry? Oh my god. I know, you deserve to be in the wild. Yeah, because the humans. It's drizzling and you can take bikes. 90% of the people went near some place. I'm not because I have already enough sun exposure. It's so pretty. I haven't seen or touched white hibiscus, and the red ones are growing like wild over here. Okay, I'm taking this bicycle. There's literally yellow hibiscus, pink hibiscus, and there's one white growing there in the wild, like in the middle of nowhere. Is out, so that side is the village. And you come all the way up here in the boat. Like the marine life is super cool. You get to sail and enjoy the views, but I'm not sure if or I can live on water like for months. That needs some courage. So we are going the other way. It's so confusing, like sometimes it looks like similar. It's currently 7:30 and I'm heading towards the market, and oh, my hotel is near to that place. I'll show you in a minute. But it's a lively place, and at night it becomes very peaceful. It's not so crowded, and yeah, I just took shower. It is little bit humid, so I have tied my hair even though they are still wet. But it's such a gorgeous island. Oh my god, today's hi doggo, there's a doggo. So today's boat ride was amazing. I will highly recommend. Hi doggo. Oh my god. Hi. Hello. He's so cute. Hi. Especially in the island, because it's like not in the mainland, so that's why the prices are a little bit higher as compared to India. And let me cross the street. And definitely it's not cheap, especially all the islands like Phuket, Cat Ba. Mainland may be cheap, I don't know. I'll be heading to Ninh Bình after, let me just cross the street, like day after tomorrow. And like crossing roads here is like India, where there is no traffic police. I came from there, I am heading to this way is the port. And market too, and cafes too. That's market. Should I go? There's one thing that women here work a lot. Like you will see majority of the women working over here. Hey, hi, nice to meet you again. Excuse me. Hello. Yeah. Where are you heading to for dinner?
Now I just want to take a beer, and then I don't know.
Yeah, okay. Enjoy.
I don't know, because I want something very
Light?
light, but like something.
There are some restaurant over there, I think.
Yes, but I don't want noodles. I don't want.
Oh, yeah. So you can head.
I'm in Italy. I take some.
You can
ham
head
and
this
bread.
way. Yeah, this way. You can find some nice spots this way, like on the right side.
Did you eat already?
No, I'm heading this way. Like I'm vegan, and so I have to go to some restaurant over there.
Okay.
Enjoy. Okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah, she was saying like you're always recording, and I was like, yeah, I'm recording for YouTube. But yeah, it's nice that women work here a lot. Oh my god, which kind of dog is this? It's humongous. Oh my goodness, he's so fluffy. I have to cross the street. Okay, let's go to My Way Cafe restaurant. This is nice that they have given me milk separately so you can make it strong or light according to your taste. I don't know what this is. It's like sweet. It's like sweet sauce. You need to try their spring rolls. These are so good. So they are filling of vegetables. Oh my god, how crisp are these? It has carrots and cucumber. I think it has some kind of mushroom, so I might get sick because I'm allergic to button mushrooms. I don't think it has button mushrooms. People here love plants. So this is Sansevieria, ZZ, Pothos. I think this is some kind of Aglaonema. This is Philodendron, which I have no idea about. I'm having a mango banana smoothie. It's 7:20 AM and this city wakes up early. I got this one, like this one. Yeah, I couldn't avoid the straw. I just got my periods and my arms are so sore. So I thought, why not to take massage? So I'm taking like facial for 100 and shoulder for 10. That's a nice price. I love to see active people. They are jogging. They start their day pretty early on the island. I don't know about mainland, but on this island, on the Cat Ba Island, I couldn't sleep last night. I couldn't sleep now. I couldn't sleep now. What the fuck? I couldn't sleep last night because in the dinner I had Vietnamese coffee. That was a very, very bad idea to drink because it was strong. And at the same time, my menstruation came. And my muscles, like the arms muscles, are sore. I don't know why, because I haven't even lifted my bag much because I'm traveling in the bus and bus is dropping from one place to another place. I don't know, maybe because of the swimming, because I was in the water after so many days. So yeah, I was using my arms muscles a lot. I prefer sea facing hotels. That's why I bought like this one, like these. And even if you're not going out, you can enjoy whole day inside. If it's raining or if it's very hot, so this place will get crowded in few hours. And this is the screen I was talking about. Like, events happen here. Thank you. Rice flat noodles with lots of vegetables, and I have put their sauce. I love the sauce. So if you are coming to Vietnam, use this sauce. Like, this is good. Long oti. I like fried spring rolls so much that I asked them to like back. I'll be eating them that night or Like it's just evening right now. I will eat them in the morning. They are so good. You have to try their spring rolls. This is good. Nice, like garden area and pavement because people are jogging, walking. What is this? Like this fruit? What's the name of this fruit? Name?
Zoi.
Zoi.
Vietnamese Zoi.
The sun has already set because I was unable to see it from my hotel and I haven't applied sunscreen. Oh my god, the amount of sunscreen I have applied here is crazy. I can't even tell you how much I apply sunscreen. Okay, let's go this way. So there are hotels, so many hotels. Oh, the sky is so beautiful. Wow! Look at those rainy clouds. I wish थोड़ी thundering हो जाती और एकदम dark हो जाता. Oh, that would have been perfect. I am usually out in the evening because of this view. Because even if like I get to see the view from my hotel, like the vibe is different when you are standing here. I just cannot tell you how beautiful islands look when it becomes like this. I can't even describe in words. It's like mad beautiful. I just can't believe I'm here. I'm feeling so grateful. Oh my god. I really wanted this view. Ships are out. I think they are catching crabs, fishes. It's perfect.